you're going through the storm, remember to look towards the light at the end of the tunnel. It will give you hope and strength to going. I would like to start my speech from the motivational quote because I strongly believe this quote gives a good start to my speech. So it is my pleasure to welcome all the faculty members, families, teachers, and my friends to graduate today at Federation University. And also, it is a great honor that I got this opportunity to share my experience with Federation University during these last 2 years. So, within these few minutes, I will share what I learned during the past 2 years, which attributes I collected, what are the FedUni attributes, and how I applied them during my master project. So, without wasting much time, I'll start my story. So, before moving to the topic, let me give you a brief introduction about myself. I am from Sri Lanka and I have done the Bachelor of Management and specialized in Human Resource Management. I'm a first class honor graduate and I worked in Sri Lanka for 5 years. Then I moved to Australia for my higher studies and I started MBA in here. But I felt that I am repeating the same thing I learned in Sri Lanka. So I need a change in my education. Then I started to do a Master of Technology in Business Analysis and ERP Systems at Federation University. So then I got to know that I have to do a master project in last semester of my master. And also I knew that it will be a really challenge to me because I didn't have any knowledge from IT or information technology background at that moment. Let's see what I have done as my master project. So I and my other two members selected a project related to fitness studio. Our client is a fitness center manager and fitness studio opens 7 days per week and offering weekdays and weekend classes. The program offered yoga, Pilates, salsa, HIIT, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and many more. The main issues that we identified in our project were the studio was using the manual booking system. So each member had to fill the multi-class booking form or when they want to cancel, they had to give a call. This process is inefficient and time consuming. So as well as to manage the attendance or the cancellation of the booking, they have to give a call or need to do a paperwork. And also to grow the business, we had to analyze the best classes, return and participation to make business decisions. The objective of this project was to establish a subscription system for the fitness studio along with the concept of databases. The main aim of this project was to develop a system for members which allowed them to book and cancel classes anytime. This project also created a business intelligence dashboards for the fitness studio management which helped them to analyze best classes, return and participation to make business decisions. So as a project outcome, we built a sample of 3-year database with dummy data relating to members, classes, programs, instructor, booking, subscription and payment. And we also created a proof of concept of a database for the subscription system where the members are able to book the classes that they want to attend and cancel them anytime. Moreover, the user-friendly dashboards were created for the management of the studio. This is the final output that we developed for the fitness center management. Let's see what are the FedUni attributes. They are leader, communicator, innovator, thinker, and citizen. As a leader, I have collected and showed some key characteristics. So the first one is a visionary. So as a FedUni graduate, I had a main objective attained in my master project. So if we did not have a main goal, then we could not be able to find a clear direction to go. So I worked to a vision and we made sure to communicate the project vision throughout the team continuously. Leaders should be a long-term oriented. Initially, we mapped out the scope of the project so that we need to be long-term oriented. So if we were short-term oriented, the accuracy and the project scheduling might be hectic. And we all were leaders based on the situation. So I did all the dashboard designing. So when designing the dashboard, I was the leader and rest of the team members respected and listened to what I suggested. And they make sure to do what I asked them to do. Second attribute is a communicator. There were so many incidents that we have shown as an effective communicator. And without better communication, we would never be able to successfully complete the project. So as a communicator, I made sure to share and consider all parties' interest and negotiation before reaching a team decision. We created an ideal environment for the effective communication, although we practiced emotional intelligence during communication, which helped to make our project more successful. Thinker is a person who rationally or critically view on any issue or an incident. So as a FedUni graduate, I developed my skills as a thinker. So when I got any problem, I did not rush to make any conclusion. First, I observed the incident and analyzed the situation and then made a final decision. Although I make sure to communicate the final decision among the team to for the make effective communication. Innovator is another key attribute that I showed during the project. We use different innovative ideas and tools to make our output more attractive. As an example, we did a lot of researches and come up with very meaningful visualization tools. And our final output or the dashboard is the best example for our innovative ideas. We designed that with our own ideas and efforts. It was a collection of team members' innovative ideas. Last attribute is a citizen. This says no matter how much we educated and talented, unless we use them ethically and use them for the well-being of the society. So as a good citizen, we made sure to do our project as according to the ethics as an IT professional. As an example, we developed database with dummy data since most of the data we need was very sensitive. So we knew that there might be very less open sources, and if we use any data illegally, that would be an issue. So likewise, we had done our duties and we make sure to fulfill our responsibilities as a good citizen. So those are the FedUni attributes that we need to develop in ourselves and we could able to apply during our master project period. So I am so happy and I'm so proud about myself saying I'm a proud FedUni graduate. And I wish you all the very best to be a proud FedUni graduate. I would like to finalize my speech with a quote of Sir Richard Branson's, which is most matching for my time period of my master project. That is, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure that you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it. So say yes to any challenge you got and then learn how to do that. Thank you and all the very best.